Hi, myself L. Chandrasekhar from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. My topic is cross correlation. Introduction. In signal processing, cross correlation is a measure of similarity of two series as a function of the displacement of one relative to the other. This is also known as sliding dot product or sliding inner product. It is commonly used for searching a long signal for a shorter known future. It has applications in pattern recognition, single particle analysis, electron tomography, averaging, cryptanalysis, and neurophysiology. The cross correlation is similar in nature to the convolution of two functions in an autocorrelation, which is the cross correlation of the signal with itself. There will always be a peak at a log of 0, and its size will be the signal energy. Cross correlation of continuous signal. The cross correlation is the measure of similarity between two different signals. Consider two signals x1 of t and x2 of t. The cross correlation of these two signals r12 of t and r12 of t is given by r1 r12 of tau equal to integration of minus infinity to x1 of t and x2 of t minus tau dt is equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity x1 of tau t plus tau and x2 of t into dt is equal to r1 2 of tau equal to minus infinity to plus x1 of t x2 of convolution of t minus tau dt is equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity x1 of t plus tau x2 star of t dt and r21 of tau equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity x2 of t x1 of convolution of t minus tau dt is equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity x2 of t plus tau x1 star of t dt. Properties of cross correlation function. Autocorrelation exhibits conjugate symmetry, that is r12 of t equal to r star of 21 of minus t. This is called the even function. Cross correlation is not commutative like convolution, that is r12 of t is not equal to r21 of minus t. If r12 of 0 equal to 0, that means if the integration of x of t convolution of 2 of t dt equal to 0 over interval minus infinity and infinity, then the two signals are said to be orthogonal. Cross correlation function of corresponds to the multiplication of spectrum of one signal to the complex conjugate of spectrum of another signal, that is r12 of t Fourier transform of x1 of omega x star of 2 of omega. This is also called correlation theorem. The cross correlation is used to evaluate the similarity between the spectra of two different systems. For example, a simple spectrum and a reference spectrum. This technique can be used for samples where background fluctuations exceed the spectral differences caused by changes in composition. Thank you.